Thaka bending. Yo, ngomiwe lapho ngiqedile hayi angiqedanga ish ngiqedile ibhodlela lethakhile
wena
lele sabuye
agree to share angeke
qedile ibhodlela lethakhile bengidesha
awuthi ngidlule ngedanga yazi ngidlule ekhaya
bengidesha
yazi nje ngeke yazi umzimba konje uhlungu ejuna ngasesemrese
Chama então try umzimba wakho chimini or when you are lift and it
ngiyalifta also
so uzohlala kubuhlungu ke
ashe
hayi wena kaduda yonke leyo junk angiyang izinanti hamba kuzinanti nalinanti la
hayi mina yaqala kusasa
nami ngiyaqala nje sir
mighty weekend show la mina ngiyazibika
Bizo wami you're so hot thank you wow you look so pretty
sorry
stand by me I still need more time with you uthini Mundu wakho ga middle fingers in the air middle fingers in the air
at the time was my hair yeah cheetah out
I like this new look after what you went through. Thank you. I look good, right? I look good.
oh
Umuhle ngiyabonga guys. Where's your waist, honey? Honey, I've been trying to locate it. Ngibona sekujola uthando phela manje sekumele siphathwe amakhanda. Othi ngishaya imonok. Cho mcungudlalela ingoma uhamba ukhuluma nocingo le kamereni.
Uyabizwa awuqala ukukhona
Ngishaya imonok. Thando akusekumbini.
hayi ngakhona umuntu ongufuna lezi-snacks nomona
Vele dosh. Hawe maya phakameni lesi. Angi. Chali kuthatha mesiye live sesizophuma manje ngo-1:30 and wena manje qa phansi ubambe ingcingo.
indoda yami
Othi ngibingelele ke?
bingelela bro
Hi.
Hello. Usemuhle.
Oh, ngiyabonga. Yes. Ngiyaqala ngiyabonga. Alright.
Kunjani?
Ngiyaphila.
Asikizoza iplate yakuvalela.
Hayi nje mfethu nje it's fine do you. Uyaphi ngiyasebenza namhlanje elini.
hayi ngoleki njani kanti kodwa
Very demure. Thank you. Buki monok, ngijoyina that. Chami buang shay monok. Kintempo. The way I love my life got sent. I love you so much, okay?
okay this mahluma phela zozi
Ha! Koni ipogi la. Khaya. Wathi ubuka kusona lesitulo esiwayo lesi.
ezimbahla ukuthi waphela zozi ezimbahla ukuthi waphela uzotshintsha zi
Isigaxa semoonwalk. Ngicela uphume kumina. Angigcini ngokushaya imoonwalk cabanga. Khona okunye engikwazi ukwenza. Ighost. Vumani. Hawu. Duh. Bizo uyaphuma mhlanje ngiya Louis. Guys, ngithelwe iglue yeinkophe. Yathi go. Bukisa khona la. You look good, thank you. OF link. Ayibo, I'm not on OnlyFans. Are you normal? Ngathi idata. Ubuke kahle. Ungadideki.
Life choices. The flu I couldn't pay that bitch.
Make.
Huh?
Ungafocus la. Buka inyawo. Buka izinyawo.
Yeah. I think in 5 minutes time.
Okay. Oh, okay. I need to stop moving my head. Okay, no. Okay. I told Tando let's go live before we go out, but Tando is like, no. I have my own priorities, and you are not one of my priorities. So you can go suck dick wherever you want to go.
We'll go live
tomorrow.
Yeah.
Ngizobe ngilele mina kusasa. Ayibo ngejimini kusasa.
Oh, that's the Jimmy. Oh. Yes, baby.
Uyapeza yes baby. Uyapeza yes baby. But abajula banesidina yazi. Angifuni. Barika bibi ke li data full sake. Fuck off.
Ulele ngo-6. Ngo-9 wakusuvukile.
Real Madrid or Barcelona? None. But yes, baby. Sana.
The song.
I don't want to wear my other blue shoes. And these on his hamburger outfit, but then again, I don't want to wear them.
Yeah.
Oh, Cindy, where did you buy that gray overall dress? It's so nice. I need it. It's Zara, my babes. Me and you together forever. Actually, I just wanted to try like style. I want to memeze yo. I want abathandana bayamemeze yo. Uhleka kakhulu akahleki kanje mihleka nami.
So ngeke uzicompare nawe.
Kodwa uhleki kanje mohleka nami uhleka kakhulu mohleka nabafana.
How? Uhleka kangakanani?
Hle.
Hayi ngomjani indaba enje.
Unamanga baby. I remember the other time I was oh sorry. I'm so sorry. Ngithenge Zara my love. Hi rich aunt, bengizama ukubi rich on. Someone said Umboro is your father-in-law. Put some respect for my name. You be saying anything. You guys just be saying anything.
Yeah. Jenny? You are toaster. Oh.
I look good, right?
Yeah. The ice cream.
No copyright. Yeah, ne-voice ethanda izoskipha kule live ne. Chomi sekumele sihambe ke, uyabona?
Iyefuna. Ininzi lefunayo baby. Yo. Ininzi.
I thought I had a friend. Sininthe come gym la awungeke ha andizi. Where are you going today? Siyelui. Yoshama get down goats. Angishaya ivosho mina ngishaya get down.
Uthanda baby baby. Hello.
Oh, request because I'm going to share one coty. And the benithe uchomi uzosula amateki because ade sigijima ngawo lapha because nini
manje uzungithethisa sifeke.
How?
Esengizolisa nathi ke ngazani.
Half past was much.
Uthi ayokho bese nje up and down. Phakathi kwabhobo. Sidlala igame. Ngoku ihlangana ngokusiwakhe. Sobeze zawabungqobe amabizulu.
Ngiyobadida namhlanje ngidanse itobetsa namhlanje ngise. Bazodideka bethi hey bo and then
She's lying.
When did you break your vagina? Oh, you like ndabas. You like ndabas. Everybody likes ndabas.
That's why this happened. I said we're gonna go live together.
Chomi, we'll have past. Ice cream. Ikoi. Might as well be octopus. Because unezandla eziningi nje kuyalelele. Ngona ube octopus straight. Ngicabanga lokho nami veli. You the best. Thank you. Pendula lapho. Pendulani. Do you know how to ride? Let me tell you the truth about me and riding. I don't like doing that shit. My body is heavy. I get tired. But I like doing it if I'm like super drunk. I don't get tired when I'm drunk. But when I'm just sober, I'm like, I don't know. Yeah, it's just that bad. Dark skinny gonu, whatever you call yourself, you stupid ass motherfucker. And also don't forget to go suck dick. I don't know. You look like a nigga that sucks dick. Okay. Doesn't he look like a nigga that sucks dick? We see you. We see you. Siyakubona.
Okay, fold it. If we fold it, it's a way for
Okay guys, let me choose shoes. Lo black ungangena chomilo. Noma ngizoshibilika ne? Ay, awungeni futhi.
My man's battery died.
Great, look at God.
How are my people there?
Your people,
My people.
Yes, le vidala ntombazane lethi. Hi, it's your girl. Athi Lwampana. My girl. My girl. Hi, it's your girl. My girl.
Athi nje lapha.
Bangithi
Shoelace wami ngaba.
Tommy, kulethe ukuthi ungacabanga ama-shoelace manje. Kulethe cause kade ngikutshela because uyajola ngoba nakusekujola nina manje sekumele sibambe into ngakhe.
Nje. Sekuyithi nawo baby.
Kaze ngalithwala idombolo konke nomlilo nesitofu. Yonke into ngithwele. Ngithwele kanzima ngingangiboni ngihleka nje ngiyapretend. Ngiyapretend akumnandi ngiyapretend. Yeah, niyazibona ke lezi itulo ezicheap seyiqalile. Yo, I'm so ghetto. I'm so ghetto. Lezi What? Yabona moku relationship uxolisa njalo umbuko uyaxolisa manje uthanda. Xolisa luthi phone yendoda yakhe iyona iqinile.
Yeah. Oh, you gave me the wireless charger.
Namhlanje ngigqoka amapiki. Ngogroove ubusuku bonke.
Guys, asitshontshela amadola kaSindi.
Awuyazi ukuthi lawo $1 asama up to how much? 300 nemali.
Normal.
I swear.
Guys, kujola mina manje.
Like a moon in the star.
Sanibonani bo bitch.
And I swear.
Ingakho bengizot.
And I swear. Like a moon in the star.
Being single is the best thing to do. Where? Ave kumnandi ukubizwa baby. Awatch.
Umnandi uxolisa ngisho isidingo singekho.
Twitter is so. Excuse me. Yo Ditsebe. Hey wena. Ditsebe sakhe indlebe zami othi ngikhiphe lo. Ngizokhuluma amasimba la.
Khuluma indaba yekukhu. Okay. Yo ngizilimi.
Sawubona wethando. Yabo kade ngikhumbulile. Sindi ungaphinde ujole yezwa. When love.
Ngobani? Ma, ngobani? No, I just want to hear the reason. Ngobani? Tell me why. Tell me why. Tell me why first.
Thatha lento man.
Thatha lento. Thatha lento ayibulali. I want to know the why. I want to know why you ungaphinde ngijoke.
Guys, it went off again, my love. Baby, charge your phone. So funani ke wena. Shem Lionel Laxelish Mendurai, whatever your name is. Bye. Lionel Lalserich Mendurai. Bye. Papa. Ulisedu ubani manje? Lisedu.
I swear. Yabo ukuthi ngisizile ngacabanga ukuthi ngiqokile outfit chom. Udaba lo la.
Ngabe manje sesihlala sithe.
And uyabaza abantu banokuthi la uthi hayi mhlawumbe yangirayisi ngala. Uthi hayi abafana basile, Hey basile okodwa sothini. You now own a house or an apartment. Apartment kodwa ngithi. We are counting down now. You're so gorgeous, man. Thank you. Chomi, yabona isikhathi.
Kade ngikhospile.
Ubeki.
Khona. Udriver for sure kade ifikile.
Ngitshela ukuthi lift iphinde seshanga
Yeah.
ayikho nathi esizoyenza. I don't know, but I don't know. I like this bag so much to me. Like, let's come and sort. Like,
But donations.
Because I can't carry my Christian Geno. Guys, I'm so sorry. Eh? Unehaba ngenza iphutha Dominic. Christian Dior bag.
Ngathi suka wena. Kusuke bani wena
Chi. Suka wena msunu.
Hawu.
Imake besisahleka Thomas Masiqhubekeni.
Hawu machomi isingisi.
Isingisi nginitshelile indaba yesingisi. Ey Nkosi yami. Christian Dior bag. I can't carry that one. Go back, like isingisi. Okusalayo.
That's why I was recording.
I'm recording. I'm recording. Asambe mama. Driver. Be right there. Uba, be right there.
Gishilo driver.
Please end the life, Masiqhubekeni. Santhanda yazi. Sanibona masesibuya yazi. Chomi akaye kubo. Hambe kini nawe. Msunu wakho. Sorry about the wait.
But ungabe usachaza. That's why I was recording.
Kodwa nina niyazi guys ukuthi mina nani together siya understandana ningamnaka uthanda ufuna ukubukwa umphakathi.
So asabe yazi.
Uyapapa yini?
Asabe mama.
Uyapapa yini?
No, let's go. Like I don't like what just happened now. Like
Ayibo. It's drama. Okay, what's the social outfit game sesiyahamba ke?
Outfit check fine.
Icathulo.
Where's my bag?
I tell him Mr. Price.
Where's my bag? What's in the bag? That's a really good question. Where's my bag?
You stay still up my friend.
So you get back, you think back some?
Ayibo, sibuyenas.
Mama.
Eh?
Angazi.
Nasi wena. Stabane ndini.
Hawu. Uzozela kuhle lapho ngezinqe ngaka. Ufike back some.
Senza ini OOTV.
Outfit of the day too.
So, what are you wearing?
Here I'm wearing this is Calvin Klein.
Mm-hmm.
And then here I'm wearing Zara.
Mm-hmm.
And then here I'm wearing what do they call this, Dolce & Gabbana.
Oh. Okay, to give a serious.
And then here I'm having my guest thing is.
Okay.
My guest.
Okay, I'm wearing. This is Mr. Price. This is Black Betty wear, and this is Mr. Price. I don't know if it's Mr. Price, but it's very cheap. Oh no! Oh, I am not now. Anyways, outfit of the day, and my hair. I don't know. My big booty.
And my booty is big. My booty.
And then my hips want to get Dr. Pets.
Watching Jane Kalaji.
My hips want to get Dr. Pets. But isn't Razam guys for the Kulu no Mawam? Baba, yabo. But I usually tell Tando to twerk because I'm like, I won't pay to cancel driver. Wait, now I was so happy. Okay, I ain't a lapaya.
Hey, Philippine, want to come my lap, bitch?
How? That's low, I guess. How? Evengezwa. Yanyanisa. Ongaka ke Gucci. Yazo Gucci main.
Ufakile cologne? Ufakile cologne? Ufakile cologne?
Oh no, cologne. Shit. Chomi just cancel guest so requesting your manch. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Also he canceled. Oh, perfect. My man bought me this.
Let me see which one is that one. I show the other one.
Thando yangizonda yezwa.
So I saw the other one.
No, Chomi, stop.
So I request.
Go request Chomi, yazi si late fine. Celulethe phela lethe.
Uthi ngiyifafaze on.
Bengithi ngizokunikeza leyana phela singaluki ngokufana. Faka lena ke. This LV one.
Thank you.
Earrings, batong.
How to 5 minutes?
Apila kade ngwafakile noma zoba hoops amakhulu.
No, a small one.
Let me put these in. Where's the other one? Oh, there we go. Okay. Thank you, my love. Ingakho ngimthanda mina. Ingakho ngimthanda fasta. Earrings.
How? Kwasekhuluma mina manje yabona Thando. Sikuwena usho.
Yimini sengisho njalo. Thando kwasekunokulokhunja manje. Sithi so unorganized lapho kade uthethisa uThando. Uphume kumina ngoba niyangazi namacici ngiyakhohlwa ukuthi ngiyintombazane phela mina.
Usikhotheni vele.
Hawu nangoke.
Usikhotheni. Uzuma.
Cotton. You sound like my dad. I said, hey, when I was cotton. My dad hates gum. If you go to the chappies, hey, when I was cotton. Shale all the lapel emnyang. Agawufuna gum. He hates gum.
So something is.
Something is what? Iyasha. Chomingel.
I said.
Nangoke sifuna kubhoma sekuthiwa mina ngikhokhe ngazi Uyicamile nje. Asambeni. Lip gloss.
The drive is 4 minutes.
Where's my lip gloss?
Lip gloss yakho uyiphethe mosibheka lapha. Lapha kuma perfume. Khulisa la uphethe gloss.
Ngikwazi ukama ngaphethe gloss.
Ile uthenge.
Yeah, ngiyidlayo. Oh, nansi. Ile ngiyidlayo Thobio ibnandi yo. Ngikhotha every 2 seconds.
Time caught.
Vele. Duh. So I look good, babe. I like this bag. I'm gonna buy more silver chrome bags. I have the other one, but I don't like it anymore. Like it's an old bag. I'm going to get a Ted Baker, but there's nuts. This one.
Oh, that's cute.
I have this one also, but it's so old. Like it's so old. But I don't carry it like this. All I do is £5.
Wait.
£5. These are sexy babes, thank you. Elani be like man boy, someone. Get you mean start mina ngoba ngiyozivocavoca. Iyazivocavoca. Siyazi. Wasenza ukushaya ngama heel game unok.
Angeke mama.
Eyashayeka.
Kanjani manje?
Hayi phela.
Kanjani? Lithe kanjani?
Yashayeka.
Oh.
Ay when ngomona very hate.
Aw. Ngikhumbula umuntu wami phela mina manje.
I need to date.
Akho nje namasimba la jolo bonke manje. Ninye lonke.
Only need to date sesicela ukuphumula. Angeke Chomi asidli. After groove asidli.
Uyodla manje mina ngikufika.
Yes, odla manje angidingi ikhathi ke.
Bathina abantu ke minjani yonke umuntu sethi ahamba.
Yonke umuntu i-rice.
Asamba mama.
Okay, bye guys.